Hello lovers of Bubukizi fashion, welcome to another episode of Everything Hair. So guys, in today's episode we are going to be transforming this water wave to a brand new wig. So let's get started. First we are going to revamp the hair. So I was revamping a bunch of hair, so I just put everything in one place. So I went in with my hot water and then I used cold water to kind of balance out the temperature, since I'll be needing warm water. So guys, warm water for revamp. Always remember that. Not hot, not cold, warm. So I'm going to go in with my shampoo to just get the dirt out of the hair, all that built up material, all that built up products. Just try to get them off the hair before getting into our process of treatment. So as you can see, after doing a little bit of detangling, I just made sure I first of all wash the lace closure, and then I went to the wig itself. So after that, you're going to rinse, and then we're going to start with our treatment. So as you can see, I'm just trying to put together the things I use. I use keratin milk treatment. Guys, if you need the detailed measurements for this, you can let me know in the comment section. So like I said, I was doing a bunch of hair, so I just went in with what will be enough for everyone. So yeah, so that's the second product I'm going in with, Revamp. And not forgetting our oil. I use coconut oil. You can use coconut oil or argan oil. This is going to give it that shine after revamp. So you're just going to put everything and mix. You can add or reduce as you desire, but this is what I use for now. So after that, you're just going to go ahead to massage your wig with the treatment, and after doing that, you're going to put them in your revamp bag. I prefer you put it in a Ziploc bag, then put it in your revamp bag. That way you don't mess everything up and it's easy to clean afterwards. So after doing that, as you can see, you're going to leave it on for 30 to 45 minutes in the bag, and after that, you're going to use warm water to rinse out the products. And there is a wig after leaving it to dry. I let it air dry. I just left it to dry overnight, and this is after brushing it out. And then I'm going to begin the styling. So first I'm going to pin the wig to a mannequin head to just make it secure to work with. So after pinning, I'm going to go in with my wax stick to just get that part cleared and smooth and laid before I begin styling my wig. So after applying wax stick, I went on with my hot comb to just slick everything back. Testing the microphone. Please be careful as this is very hot. So I just went forward to slick everything back. Okay, so I decided to fast forward this so I don't waste your time. So here's what it looks like after slicking out the middle part, as you can see. So now we are going to get into the styling. So for styling, here's what I use. I mix with water. Also, if you need the measurements, I just went as my ancestors told me. So I mix my product with water. So after doing that, I'm going to shake and then spray. So my water bottle started acting up here, but eventually got the work done. It kept acting up, unfortunately. Anyways, So after that, we are going to go in with our water wave brush and just brush out the hair. As you can see, guys, instantly you begin to see changes. Look at that, guys. It's giving wow. So I just wanted to show you how the wig looks with product and without product. So as you can see, the difference is very clear with product and without product. But just so you know, after the revamp, it really helped a lot to get this wig to come out the way I wanted it to come out. So just make sure you use good products for your treatment and then use good products for styling. So I'm just going in with the product one more time to get every inch of the hair, and then I'm going to brush it out. As you can see, guys, at this point the hair was giving like wow. Just look at that shine. Remember the coconut oil I used to revamp? It also did contribute to giving the hair this shine. So as you can see, we are getting our water wave back. So I'm just going to go in now with my argan oil. So guys, for me, I think this is the most important part. So you take your argan oil or any oil of your choice and you apply on the hair. Then you scrunch. Make sure you get every part of the hair. Then scrunch it up, let go. Scrunch it up, let go, so it maintains the coils. So guys, that's basically it. With this, I was done. So here we have our finished look. As you can see, our hair was completely transformed, guys. Look at it. So perfect. So guys, here is our finished look, ready to be slayed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and check out my other videos. I post amazing tutorials for beginners. Thanks and bye bye.